they're not fully understood how they work, and that's the problem. Not even vendors understand them, and the challenges are different, and I mean, you need to be prepared to change to go into a cloud environment. And for some things it's easier, for some things it's harder, depending on how you look at it. And one of the hard things is databases, because databases are stateful, which means they're more difficult to scale, they're more difficult to manage, they're like they're expected to be persistent, in the means that like no one expects like a web server to sort of like persist data, and like if that disappears and comes up again, that's okay. The same goes with the app server. If you look at the database server, that's not the case. How do you persist? Well, you go to disk. And most cloud environments are pretty crappy at managing disk reads and disk writes. So that's like the issue we're looking at in the cloud environment. We're also looking at an environment that's shared with multiple users, which means that you can't go in and just like, oh, I got this level of performance out of the system, so I'm going to get that tomorrow. No, that's not how it works at all. So that's like the other challenge here. It's an environment shared with other people, and those challenges turns into an advantage when you look at a business that is constantly growing and changing and shrinking and growing and what have you not. So in that kind of a business, the cloud environment is just exactly what you want, but you need to prepare to develop for it. So like adopting your software to understand that tomorrow I got this much resources, tomorrow I have less. There's nothing static about a cloud environment. It's not like a server standing in a box that this is mine and like nothing's going to change. I got 200 users, I got 100 gigs of data, and that's it. Things are changing, and things are changing from day to day, from hour to hour. And I need to adopt to that. If that's my business, but the cloud environment is fine. But on the hardware side, on the operating system side, most cloud vendors has done a good job out of providing that. But the issue is that software isn't always there, and software vendors doesn't always understand it. In particular, database vendors don't understand how this stuff works. And they, to be honest, I don't think Amazon understands what they're looking at. Amazon provides, or the other cloud vendors, I mean, they provide the technology, but I don't think they fully understand the benefits and the environments and the possibilities of that technology. That's still there to be determined.